Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you the top 5 secrets of making a good professional video. And this is going to be absolutely amazing. So I request you to please don't skip this video, see the complete video. The first and most important thing is whenever you are shooting a video, directly look at the lens of your camera. You can start from your mobile, you can start from DSLR. Currently I'm shooting with GoPro. I'm looking at straight away to the lens. The most important tip, look at the lens of your camera. That is the key. The second most important tip for you is you have to be very active, very energetic. Look at me, if I'm just talking to you like this, hi guys, what's up, how are you okay? You're going to kick me out. You have to be very active, you have to be super sporty, you have to be very energetic, and then only you will sound good. That's the second most important tip. The third most important tip is your content should be current, it should be popular, and people should want to see that. So work on the content. Content is the king. That is very, very important. The fourth most important topic, the light. Yeah, the natural sunlight is absolutely amazing. Right now I'm shooting in natural sunlight. Look at the greenery out here. So arrange a proper light. If you don't have a light, you could face a problem while shooting in night. If you're okay with day, then just sit in front of sunlight. And the fifth and most important thing is always try to post on social media these videos. Unless and until they are not on social media, how will people see your talent? So these 5 tips will absolutely act as a breakthrough for you. See you. Keep posting the videos. Thank you so much.